Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing blissshe.com. So as you can see right here, we have it here on their website. And as you can see, they basically sell women's apparel like underwear or collections. And they claim to have big discounts right here, great discounts. And basically, these are the same setups just like the other scam products you can see. So as you can see, there are a lot of websites like this would have that they have the same layout, which has a big picture and the shop now and a lot more, which they claim to have big discounts and huge discounts up to 75% off. And if you're wondering if this is actually legit, let's go here to the reviews on Trustpilot and see that they are rated 1.6 out of 5 stars with 35 reviews. So as you can see, horrible company, shipping is entirely way too long, and total ripoff, either those sticky bra inserts, and they never came. Don't trust, you'll never get your order, and buyer beware. And basically, you get the gist of it. This is just another one of those scam websites, so please do not buy from this website. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.